Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have n times n is equal to 27 over 8, and here we to solve for the value of n is the unknown we to solve for. To solve this solution, so we have n times n is equal to 27 over 8. So let's first multiply n times n times n. That will give us n raised to power 3, which equals 27 over 8. Now, with this, we can express 27 as 3 raised to power 3. And also, we can express 8 as 2 raised to power 3, such that what we have is n raised to power 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 3. So, with this, also applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power c over b raised to power c, this is equal to, in brackets, a over b, then all raised to power c. So, applying this right here, we have the same power, then this becomes n raised to power 3 equals, in brackets, 3 over 2 all raised to power 3. So with this, the next thing we are going to do is to move this over to this side of the equation. So what we have is n raised to power 3 minus, in brackets, 3 over 2 all raised to power 3 is equal to 0. So from here, what we have is in the form of a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, difference of 2 cubed. And if you have a cubed minus b cubed, this equals, in brackets, a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. So therefore, in this case, the value of a is equal to n, right? And the value of b is equal to 3 over 2, 3 over 2. So therefore, expanding this, what we then have is, in brackets, a is n, so n minus b is 3 over 2, then multiplied by a is n, so n squared, plus a is n, then multiplied by b, which is 3 over 2, then plus b is 3 over 2, so 3 over 2 all squared. So all of this is equal to 0. Good. So with this, we have, in brackets, n minus 3 over 2 multiplied by n squared plus n times 3 is 3n, then over 2 plus 3 squared is 9 over 2 squared is 4, all is equal to 0. Now, at this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So what we have is n minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0, or we have n squared plus 3n over 2 plus 9 over 4 is equal to 0. Now, let's first solve this linear equation. We have n minus 3 over 2, okay, is equal to 0. Move minus 3 over 2 over to this side. We have that n is equal to 0 plus 3 over 2. And with this, the value of n is equal to 3 over 2. So this is the first solution for the value of n. Good. Now, let us then solve for the other value of n from this other equation. So right here, we have n squared plus 3n over 2 plus 9 over 4 equals 0. N squared can be written as over 1, so that we can then look for the LCM of 1, 2, and 4. And the LCM is simply 4. So when we divide 4 times n squared is 4n squared, then plus 2 we divide 4, 2 times 3n is 6n, plus 4 we divide 4, 1 times 9 is 9, is equal to 0. Now, we can then simply cross multiply. So 4 times this is 0, 1 times this is still giving us 4n squared plus 6n plus 9 is equal to 4 times 0 is 0. Now, with this, we have a quadratic equation, which is simply 4n squared plus 6n plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, to solve for the value of n, we are going to make use of the quadratic formula. So with respect to n, the formula is given by n is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of n squared, which is 4. The value of b is the coefficient of n, which is 6, so 6, and the value of c is the constant, which is 9, so writing down 9. So therefore, inputting the value of a, b, and c into this formula, what we have as the solution for n is equal to minus b is 6 plus or minus square root of b squared, b is 6, so 6 squared minus 4 times a is 4 times c is 9 all over 2 times a is 4. So from here, the value of n is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root. 6 squared is 36 minus, we have 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 9, the value is 144 all over 2 times 4 is 8. So n is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 144 is 1 minus 108 minus 108, then all over 8. So from here, the value of n is equal to minus 6 plus or minus, we can express root minus 108 as root minus 1 times root 108, then all over 8. Shows that with this, the solution for n is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times, we can express root 108 as root 36 times 3 all over 8. So n is equal to minus 6 plus or minus I times root 36 times root 3 all over 8. So with this, the solution of n is equal to minus 6 plus or minus I times root 36, the value is 6, then times root 3 all over 8. So from here, 2 we divide 8, we have 4. 2 we divide 6, we have 3. 2 we also divide 6, we have 3. Such that the value of n is then equal to minus 3 plus or minus I times 3 root 3 all over 4. Now with this, we can factorize out 3 over 4 from here. So the value of n is equal to 3 over 4 into bracket. Here becomes minus 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So with this, the value of n2 is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by minus 1 plus I times root 3. And the value of n3 is equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus I times root 3. So we've gotten the second solution and the third solution for the value of n. And the first solution right here, we got the value to equal 3 over 2. So n1, which equals 3 over 2, n1 which equals 3 over 2. So these are the three solutions for the value of n. We have one real solution and two complex solutions for the value of n. The next thing is to confirm, is to verify if this solution of n is the correct solution. So we'll test that out with the real solution that we got as 3 over 2. So let's check, let's confirm. Right here, check. We got the value of n as 3 over 2. So the question, which is n times n times n equals 27 over 8. N is 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 times n is 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. Will this equal 27 over 8? Question mark. Now 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 over 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. This also equals 27 over 8. So since they're equal to each other, this means that the value of n as 3 over 2 is the correct solution. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.